Nike's Dunk Low continues to reinvent itself since its 1985 debut, this time receiving a seasonal GORE-TEX upgrade ahead of Fall 2025. The Dunk Low GTX combines durability and style, arriving in a wheat, ceramic, Picante Red and Black palette with tones of kumquat, dark mustard, and black layered across the upper panels at the forefoot, and profiles balance earthy autumn shades with deep contrasting hues, while GORE-TEX branding under the lateral swoosh highlights its water-resistant finish. A tan midsole and black outsole ground the design, keeping the sneaker practical yet stylish. Previously revealed in a crimson or infrared colorway, this edition embraces fall-inspired orange, yellow, and brown blends for versatility and seasonal wear. Although release details remain under wraps, official images, some via British retailer size, spotlight the craftsmanship, with Nike.com expected to confirm launch plans soon, continuing the Dunk Low's enduring legacy in modern sneaker culture.